He said to have this out just in case.
Look at that. Oh! Hey, you.
Huh?
Yeah, you. You look like you suck at cooking. Is that true? I got just the thing for you. Cooking through a cookbook, cover to cover.
We're not apologizing to Joshua Weissman. We probably make his food better.
That's definitely not happening. Welcome back to the kitchen. Today I'm super stoked because I'm making chicken katsu. Yes, chicken katsu, and I've got my wonderful wife on the camera. Say what's up to the people.
Yeah.
So chicken katsu. That's enough I needed to say. Let's get into it.
Good hands.
Hell yeah! You know how many germs are on here? Wait, does that make me sound dirty? See, I like following a recipe because you can just go down and not overthink it, right? We're just gonna take it step by step. We've got all the ingredients out in front of us. And yes, there's some substitutions. We'll talk about that, okay? But for right now, you're with me right here. For right now, we're not gonna overthink it. Place the chicken breast between two pieces of plastic wrap and pound, pause, to an even thickness throughout, about half-inch thick, and season the chicken masala. Okay, we're doing chicken thighs. I don't like chicken breasts. They're too dry.
You're crazy.
That might be me. There's more fat in a chicken thigh. That's why I go for it, and it's easier. So I'm gonna get some plastic wrap.
It's more fat in a breast than a thigh.
No, there's not.
Look it up.
You know, a lot of these dishes kind of overwhelm me, and going step by step is kind of helping me out a lot because, I don't know, you sort of detach and just like, all right, what's the next step? And for this one, I'm like, I guess we're gonna put it in between plastic.
Huh?
Bro, why am I even pounding this? Because look at this, pause, but why am I, like it's already like 1 1/4. I'm not gonna pound this, I'm gonna skip step one.
Wash it.
I'm not gonna wash it, but I'm gonna skip it. I'm gonna skip one.
Okay.
I'm not gonna do this. I'm not gonna do this. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna do it. Because like, why do I need to do it? Ew.
Yeah.
Okay, what's step 2, babe?
Prepare 3 separate shallow bowls for the breading stage.
Boring.
Step 3, thoroughly coat each piece of chicken in the flour, shaking off any excess. Okay, bet. Then coat in the egg mixture. Okay, bet. Make sure no dry spots, for sure. Finally coat the chicken on all sides. I think we can do that. And let's I feel like I'm just setting up like a
chicken,
solid, bro. It's fine because the reason why I don't wash my chicken is because like straight up.
We know the reason why.
Get out. I don't wash my chicken because whatever is on the outside of the chicken is going to get cooked off. Like all that nonsense, like it's
You saw that video
bro.
when someone wanted their chicken with bleach? Someone literally did that.
What the hell? What the hell, Yonce? So I looked this up and I don't know what to say, but you're gonna see it now too. Like this actually exists. This is a real thing. Somebody did this. Like, bro, where am I looking? I'm looking right here. Anyways, here's the video I want to show you.
So you're going to put in a little bit of Clorox. It has to be name brand Clorox bleach or it will not taste right. Once you put your Clorox, you're going to take a little bit, maybe about 2 drops of the Dawn dish detergent. Don't put a lot. That's what people messed up at. You only need 2 drops. Once you do that, you're going to soak it around inside of your mix, move it around until you see the water look a little bit hazy. That means the chicken is now clean.
Hey, where's the bleach? All right. Let me put this in here. And then the panko. That's the first piece. Boom. You know the first piece is always the worst piece. So let's keep it going. Let's go flour. Am I supposed to salt the chicken or anything?
And season the chicken with salt.
Hold on.
I feel like you're supposed to salt the flour.
Nope. Just bear with me.
Bear with me.
Bear with me now. Keep it filming. Bear with me. We gonna get you right.
No salt, no season.
Bear with me. I feel like I should have gone with more shallow bowls. Bro, Josh is gonna be all on us, bro. Yo,
what are you doing?
Where's the black truffle? I messed up.
What?
I messed up. Okay, alright. Hear me out. I messed up. Okay, damn it! I made a mistake. And that mistake was back on episode 1, season 1, episode 2.
The first.
Damn. What does that last line say?
Season the chicken with salt.
So,
I told you!
look, this so we're gonna fix it right now. Watch.
He doesn't.
Watch.
He doesn't listen to me.
Film.
This is our marriage.
Look. We're just gonna. So we're going to fill a large deep cast iron skillet or a heavy bottom pan with oil and heat it over medium-high heat. Okay, that. I never use this. And I even bought canola oil just for the occasion. So let's go and do this. So medium-high heat, that's what the recipe says, and we'll do some oil right in there. We're gonna keep it going because we're frying. We're gonna use a lot of oil. We're frying, so we're using a lot of oil.
You're not using a pot?
It said a cast iron or deep skillet pan, so that's what I'm using, bro. Daddy Josh doesn't lead us wrong. So we've got the cast iron, and I've got oil. Did I do too much oil?
Yes.
That's a lot of oil. But we're frying. We're frying.
You're not frying in a pot, you're frying in a skillet,
Babe,
Cameron.
we're frying.
I feel like it should be what's Shan cooking.
It's gonna be a lot of oil. We're frying.
It's like every video. What's Nick cooking? Now it's
what's Shan cooking? Every
like, I can't cook, bro. This is about to blow up, by the way. Because he used the whole freaking pint of oil.
That's not the whole pint. That's like
look at this. Look at this.
We're frying, okay?
In a skillet, Cameron.
We're frying. I think it'll be okay. I'm actually getting nervous now.
Yeah.
Back to the recipe. Working one at a time, carefully place the breaded chicken breasts in the oil, dropping away from you, because that's important. That's so important. Fry for 3 to 5 minutes or until crispy golden brown. Flip and fry for an additional 30. All right, we got the idea. Yeah. We're frying now. We're frying. I got the chicken here. They go in the fryer, and then they're frying. So just gonna wait 3 to 5 minutes.
All right, it's really cooked now. You can let it out now.
See what this guy has to say.
It's so cooked.
Oh damn! It really is.
It is, because you put way too much oil.
That's hot as hell. That's so overcooked.
Yes.
Okay. First piece is the worst piece. You know what I'm saying? I thought 3 to 5 minutes. That was nowhere even close.
It's 2 to 3 minutes.
It's okay. It's okay. Let's do the next one. Let's just do the next one.
That's how fire start.
That's how fire starts. You're right.
He said to have this out just in case.
This piece is going so much better. Because I got an eye on it. You know, I don't normally fry. I'm sorry. I don't fry things.
Oh, we know, baby.
You know, I'm starting to think that this cookbook is a little bit more than than I can take on. But we're gonna figure it out together, right? Yeah, thanks. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at that. I know we're living in an apartment. I have to be quiet, but look at that. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. I'm gonna put that right there to drip dry. We're getting there. We're getting there. There we go. I don't know how I'm gonna do this ever again because there's oil everywhere. I don't know if it's just user error, which
yes,
it
you
probably
put too
is.
much, bro.
But the result, it's turning out pretty good. I mean, look at this. It's turning out pretty good. It is. I mean, we're going from this to this to this. It's turning out pretty good.
It's not turning out good.
Frying is kind of overwhelming. It's scary and it's messy. But look at that result. Ooh. I'll put that out there. Ow. 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 Hot oil all over me. Hot oil everywhere. Hey,
you
yo.
put too much oil.
I put too much oil. I'm sorry. But look. I got a mess here. I got a mess there. And I'm supposed to make... Look at this. I'm supposed to make spicy cabbage slaw next. I'm not going to do that in a dirty kitchen. I think it's time to... While the katsu cools. While the katsu cools. I think it's time to clean up a little bit.
You're never cooking this again.
Now that we're feeling refreshed. Are you feeling refreshed?
No.
That's what we got. So it sounds like we're ready to plate and eat. Look at that. That's just some fried chicken right there.
How'd you get that piece?
I just
Looks
ripped
like
it.
a nugget.
Put some of that on there.
This bus.
I'm a fan. God, I'm glad I did chicken thighs instead of chicken breast. Like, I feel like it just adds to it. And like, it just...
Chicken breast is way better.
Okay, for sure, but I like it a lot. I don't even know what to say. Give it a rating, Shan. Scale 1 to 10.
It's a good 7. You know?
Okay. Walk me through that.
It's definitely unseasoned. But it's still good, it's just not seasoned. So maybe like a sauce or something. But it's very crunchy. Way better batter than Chick-fil-A or something.
I give this 8 out of 10. I would have seasoned the chicken raw first.
Season the chicken with salt.
Like you were supposed to. That's my bad. But like, man, is this, like, look at this chicken. It's super crispy and it is absolutely delicious. Not good for you whatsoever. I don't even know what the cabbage sauce is supposed to be like without, you know, this, but honestly, it adds. I'm super happy with this. But again, 8 out of 10. She said 7 out of 10. We're gonna meet in the middle, 7.5 out of 10. And I feel like that's pretty fair for this. 7.5 out of 10. What do you think?
Yeah, it's just chicken.
It's just chicken.
But like your salmon in the previous video, go check it out if you haven't. That one was like top tier. Like that's 10 out of 10. I love it. I love the salmon.
I like this better.
Like, it was good if Cam cooked it, you know?